Hello, is it all audible, guys? Okay. Hey, programmers, welcome to Code Carnival Technologies. So today we will see the HTML. So open the code editor. I have VS Code. So to open the code editor, I have created a folder HTML. Just open in terminal and type code dot and press enter. It will take you to the VS Code directly. Here, after that, we can make index.html file, and for some styling we will use style.css file. Okay, done. So what actually the HTML is? So what's the full form of HTML? The full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, and we use HTML for creating web pages. It describes the structure of a web page, and it consists of a series of elements. Here there are many elements, many tags, h1 paragraph. If you want to show your users to heading, then we will use h1 or h1 to h6. We will see later in the video. Okay, so for creating the syntax of HTML, we just press, and this is shortcut. We will just press shift plus exclamation marks and press enter. See, this is our syntax of the HTML. So here I will explain one by one. So in this first line, what does it mean? Doc type HTML. So it is a declaration declaration of the HTML, beginning of HTML document, that it tells the browser that what version of the HTML document is using. We are using which version. And this tells that we are using which version of HTML. It stands for document type declaration. Doc type HTML stands for document type declaration, and it instructs to the web browser about the type of document that is being displayed. It's very important because it helps the web browser to render the web page correctly. According to the standards of the specific version of HTML, we must version of we can use render the web page directly. Without this declaration, the web browser may not know which rules to follow when rendering the document. Okay, so guys, it's enough, and here we are using the tags. Everything we have put after that, everything. When we are using HTML, we have HTML tag. Here, this is the closing opening tag, and this is the closing tag. This means here we have started the HTML code, and here we have entered the HTML code. Opening and closing, opening, closing. Every tag has the opening and closing, except some of tags that don't have opening. Some of have opening and closing both the same. So here opening and closing tags also. For body, we will code anything. We will code everything in body section. Under the body tag we will code. So in head tag we will describe for SEO, meta for SEO. We are telling that what's the content to divide this for everything, and we can give title here. HTML tutorial. Go here and press live. See here it came, or you can directly just press here, copy path. Okay, not this, copy path, press here and see. You can whatever do you want, you can. So my first, I will use h1 tag. What terminal technologies. Here, just save here. Go there. After refreshed, we can see here in the heading code carnival. The h1 is a heading tag. We can h1 is it is a heading tag defines with h1 to h6. If you want to define heading, you can use h1 to h6. What's the difference between? We will say this is the bigger one. This is the smaller than h1. This is smaller than h2. This is smaller than h3. This will be smaller than h4. This will be smaller than h5. Just go and refresh the page. See here. h2 is smaller than h1. This is h1, h2, h3. So like this, we can define our HTML headings. And now another tag is paragraph tag. That paragraph tag are defined with the opening and closing p. This is the opening paragraph tag. This is the closing paragraph tag. Like here, anything I'm giving the mid-tire Lorenzen thing, and just refresh the page. See, this is the paragraph. If you want to give any link here, you can also give the link. Anything you can give. I'm not giving anything yet. You can give anything do you want. Click here. Just see. If you click here, add. Just add anything. We will create another HTML tag. Index2.html. We are creating another HTML file, and here we will give the path of index2.html and index2.html. First we will write the syntax, and in body I will give h1. Second index file. Go here, just click, it will redirect to the second index file page. We have seen h1 tag, header tag, paragraph tag, and this we will say for A is the anchor tag. This is the anchor tag here. Now what we can see, we will see all the tags one by one. So now we will see the break tag here. If you want to write, suppose I am writing okay, cry my if I want to give, first see here, after refreshing it is coming in the same line. What can I do if I want to put Carnival here down to the subscribe my YouTube channel? Then I will go here and just put here tag, here the self-closing tag. I already told you that every tag is the opening and closing, but some exceptional are here, that BR tag is one of them. Go there, just refresh the page. See, put Carnival come down the subscribe my YouTube channel container. Now one more tag is here. We will see one by one what's the next tag, and it's a paragraph tag. It's important to note that HTML is not case sensitive. Either you can give like this. Just go and refresh. See here, it's not giving any error. It is not case sensitive. Here, this is the attribute of anchor tag. Index2.html is the attribute of anchor tag.
Okay.
If you want to see the image here, we can use image source tag. First we have to download the image. Download one image. Image. And the image will come here. This is the image tag. Image is the tag, src is the attribute, as anchor is the tag, and href is the attribute. We can also give height width here. Height 1000. See here now. Okay. What can I do if you want to give the style? If you want to, this is in black. What will you do if you want to do in the color green, orange, and style? We can give the inline style here. Orange. Go there. See, this is an orange color. Okay. Yeah. Start. What can I do if I want to give the title here? We can just simply give the title attribute in the title here. See here, after hovering on the start heading, it is showing code Carnival. When you want this, it will show code Carnival. As I have already told you, if you want to give the heading in bigger, then you can use H1. If you want some smaller, then can use anything like this in this. Now just see the some text formatting tab. You will give the comment. If you want to give comment in HTML, you can give like this. This is the HTML comment symbol. Give italic or Carnival. Technologies. Go and submit code Carnival Technologies. It's looking all full. That's why I'll do comment follow the code. Now you can run code Carnival. This is the text formatting tag, italic tag. Now if you want to give the bold text, you can use B opening and closing bracket. Code Carnival Technologies. Go and see what Carnival Technologies. If you want to do, you can use break. If you want to write bold tag down the code italic tag, just go see. Again, we will use BL tag. The more is from defines steps with a strong importance. Where this is more important. Someone is important, you can write here. Technologies. Go there. This one and this one both are looking same, but we write this for when we want something is more important, then we can use strong tag. Many tags are there. You can see here EM. Okay. Just go and check. Okay. Mark means in everywhere you can mark. Like we have a paragraph. With 100 words. And if you want to mark this word, you can use mark here. Mark here. Go there. Place there. Something place here. You mark this. It's so enough for the text formatting tag. Now we will see the quotation. Commenting that. Now I'll see. Choosing tag. Code is block code. The tag is block code. That means we are using another source that we will use block code for that. Q tag for small quotation. Next go. Is giving the cost symbol here. On the website like this they are giving. You don't need to give this manually. This is these all are the semantic tag that become semantic means within the tags which have some meanings, like when we want to give address we can use address tag here. In the address tag we can give your email. You can give the tag, and then go there. You can give see here. This is the address tag. We can give our address in address tag. Semantic tag is good for SEO. So we have to use more and more semantic tag. Right. Right. What will you do when you want to give the background color? We can give the style here, but later we will study the CSS where we can give all the styles in the CSS sheet. Like we have already made the style CSS that we have study later. For this course, we will see the inline style. And so here we can give the background color. Background color. What we can give? Sky blue. Go there. Refresh the page. See, this is the background color. And what you can do if you want to give the color. You can also give chocolate. Let's see. It's removed because it is not. We can, if we want to chocolate color, then we have to remove this logo. See here. It's done. If you want to give color, you can also give the color here only, not background. Color means the text color. Okay. In it, we can also, we have already seen the some of the Q, BDQ or more. You can explore more. But now we will see the table. Here, this is the comment. Done. Now we will see the table tag. A table consists of the tables, cells, rows inside the table. It consists rows and column. Table means simply rows and column that we will see here. What's the how we can make a table. So if you want to make a table, first you have to open with opening table tag, and after that we will use closing table tag. Under this table we will write all the row header, table header, table data, everything we are writing here. So if you want to make a row, then you have to use PR tag, table row tag. In row, how many columns do you want to give? Which column do you want to give? You have to define with table header, or you can also define with table data. But I have already told you that if you want your websites to be SEO friendly, then you have to use the most semantic tag, which has semantic means which have in the tags which have some meaning. So we are giving a TS tag. So we will make a cricket or IPL table where the cricketers. So first we are giving a name of the cricketer. IPL team. And one more. We will give a runs. Birthplace. Okay, just go and refresh the page. See, this is a table, name, IPL team, runs, and birthplace. So, but if you want to give the border, we can also give the border later. First, see here what we can do. TH stands for table header, TR stands for table row, and table is table means the table. Now we have already make the row. If we want to give the data for all of this, what we can give? We will again use tr tag. Again we will give td. Td means table data. If this is table data, we will give now table data. Here you can give all the data. Then we want convenience. I felt yesterday. Sometimes we can give anything. I don't know the number exactly. That's why I'm giving anything here. Yes, go and refresh the page. Here in name it is showing MS Sony IPTM CSK runs 7000 and birthplace Ranchi. Everything is showing now. Now what can you do is I've already told you we will see the letter. We have already inline style. We have already seen the inline style here, everywhere style. Now another we can give the style for everything is there are three ways that we can give the styles: inline, external, and one more is okay guys. What I'm talking? Sorry, someone has come. That's why I come. Okay, we have already given. Now we will give the styles. So we have already seen the inline style. We can give the external style set to link with the style.css, but for now we will give the styles here only. Okay. So for that, when we want to give the styles, what we can do? We can give the style here, and this is known as the internal style set. Here we have to define with the style tag. This is the style tag. Here we can give the styles for whatever we want. We can give the styles for table, border, 1 pixels volume, red. Just go and refresh. See here, there is a border coming around the table. If you want to give the border between row and column, you can give the more styles here, like th and td, and give border 1 pixel solid style. We can give go see here. The border is coming for every. Now we will give some more data. How we can give, just copy and paste here. Suresh Raina. Team is just run is the Mr. IPL. That's why we are giving 8,000. And don't know the birthplace. I'm giving the Lucknow. I think is from. That's why I'm giving. Just go and refresh the page. Yeah, it's coming. Now again we will give for one more player. That is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. RCB run. He has more than he is the legend. He is the father of Pakistan. That's why I'm giving 9,000 run. And birthplace is Delhi, I think. Okay, we have seen the table tag enough. Now we will see the list tag. All list tag we will see now. Let's see all list tag. After some time we will see list and the more tags here. Want to show the your users to heading, then we will use H1 or H1 to H6. We will see later in the video. Okay, so for creating the syntax of HTML, we just press, and this is hey guys, just confirm am I audible? 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 Hey guys, Alright, so now we will resume the coding. And our next topic is resolve list, right? So in list allow web developers to group we can group a set of related items in list. Okay, so here in list you can give the unordered list or ordered list both. First we will see the unordered list. For unordered list you have to use opening and closing UL tag. UL means unordered list. Here I will give a light tag which is the list of items. It denotes the list of items. UL defines unordered list. LI defines a list of items. Okay, here we can give one. Two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Just go and refresh the page. What is the output of this? This is the unordered list. What will you do if you want to give the ordered list? Just go here, give the header, and giving header. Here I am giving the header for ordered. For order list, we will use OL tag. And here list of items, whatever it is. List 1. 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. This is our order list. Now go and check the output. Okay, this is order list. This is this gave the numbering. Now another is the description. We can also give the description also here like this. So now we will give the description list here. And if we want to describe this, we have to give dd tag. Description data. What it is? Paste. Initial. Just go and check. See, this is the description. Then guys, okay. Now we will revise all the concepts that we have studied in this video. So for that, make another file, revise.html, then just make the syntax revision topics. Then we will revise everything. So here, what I have already told you, doc type HTML. What is it? It declares the document type as HTML. It will declare the document is your document is HTML, and it will tell the browser that this is the HTML document. Then after that, this is the HTML tag, opening tag for the HTML document that we are going to declare here. We have already, this is our HTML document. And after that, head tag, opening and closing. Head tag contains metadata about the document such as the title and character encoding. Character set and everything content, everything it is going to contain. After that, our tag that is in the head tag. It sets the title of your document, which is displayed. Yeah, it will display in your web browser like that. If you're going to run this, first stop this server and go live of this revise.html. It is going, just copy the revise.html path, go there, paste here, done. See here, this is the title, revision topics HTML tutorial. This is the title. Okay, done. What is the meta tag? You can ask what is the meta tag. Actually, it is meta sets the metadata such as character. I already told you, character encoding like this, and the main tag here is body tag, where we will code more and more. Only we will code in most of 95% of our time we will code in the body tag only. Yeah. Okay. So go, and this is the semantic tag, which is header, that it is going to set the header on your web page. Welcome technologies. Okay, this is the header tag that it is going to contains the header of your document. Yeah, welcome to Code Carnival Technologies. Okay, done. In header tag, this is the header tag, and if you want to give the more big header, then we can use here h1 tag under the header tag. Here it is going to be, the text font text is going to be bigger than the previous one. After that, what we can use, navigation. We can make navigation bar with the use of nav tag. This is also the semantic tag. I am already told you that we have to use more and more semantic tags. That's why because it is very best for the SEO of your website. Now we will give here UL. Now we will give the what I am told you, or in order to this we are going to give list tag. Okay, now here we can give anything. In list tag we can give anchor tag, that we have already told you. We will not give anything. We are not going to give the path for now. This is like our navigation bar. Wow. Contact. Go and check. See, if we will give anything here, it will go there. After that, this will with our header. After that, when this header will complete, when we will study the CS, we will check this list here in the inline, in one line. That time we are using flex. We will use flex there that time. Okay, here now we are going to use main tag. That where we can use anything here. H2, because we have to use H1 only once. It's great for SEO. The main header tag we can write in the H1 tag. Here I'm going to be about a programmers. And come to what kernel technologies. Educational channel. Educational channel. Now we will go and refresh the page. See, this is in our main tab. After the main tab will complete, we can use the footer tab. In footer tag, we can give the paragraph and we can give the copyright with the help of this. It will give the copyright symbol. And you have already seen in the many website that there is symbol, there is a C symbol under the circle. This is used for giving that symbol. Ampersand copy colon. Don't forget to give the colon. 2023 newer technologies. Just go and refresh the page. See here, it is going to the symbol C under the circle. It's completed. That's for like this we can make the structure for our best SEO practices. We can give the headers in header tag, we can give the footers in footer tag, and we can give the everything in main tag. If you want to make a container, you can also use div tag. Div tag here you can give anything. Okay, open the tag. That one is not a tag. And you can give anything in one container. Go there and check. And one more thing, if you want to inspect, you can inspect anything. Go there and inspect everything. So here you can see that my div tag here, my paragraph tag. Go there and see. This is both in the div tag. If you will give a styles to the div tag, it will apply for both. Just give background color. Background. Okay, I will give background color. Here, light blue. If you want to give anything, you can give anything here. Anything do you want, you can give. You can also make here not give anything after the tag. You can also use section tag and give extra. Plus we can use list here. We have already told you the list. How can we use the list? and Dr. said email WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can give, and when we go there, just refresh the page, contact us. After contact us, we can make a section, and in the contact we can we can make a form to fill. Anyone can fill the form that we can get the data. Just use label for name. Whether it is asking your name, this is the label. Now we can give the input tag. We can use code type text. See, we can give input. See, what I have done here is I have developed a form where I gave the label for name and text box for name. This is the label name and text box means input box. For comment, I have gave the text box that we are using. We can give using text area, and after that I have gave the button in our form. For now, what if we want here? I'm going to leave that. Now we will see the block level elements in that you can give. We can give level elements. You can give here. After that here I can use all the I will tell you all the block level elements. Block level means if we use this block level elements, then this will take the whole space, whole line of space there, like this. Address tab address go there, copy the code, go there, just address element or address tag we can say here. No, when we give anything after that, article. Now when we are doing this, it will go down. It will go down because it's taking here and in fact this element is taking whole line. This whole line, this is taking, this is using this much space, but it's taking whole. So this one is we can say, we will say block level elements. These all are block level elements. But for inline elements, just see span is the inline element. Span. Now after that you can give any div with the block level elements. I am just showing just to see. You can see here in span. Because here there is one bold, go there, just see these all are span because div is the block level element, that's why it's go down, otherwise it will not go down. Or when we write there, go there, just go and refresh, see the other inline elements is anchor tag. Yeah, it is here only anchor tag. More inline that we can give it this. This is also the element tag. You can see here if you want to code anything, click code. This all will go in one line. Everything will go in the next line, that is the block level element. We can give, as I have already said, footer, also see for header. Everything will go in the next line. That means the block level element. Button, button two. The button is also inlineable. Let's see here. Button one, button two. Go on. Go there and check, refresh the page. Most probably we give text via like this. Text area also. It came in this project. We have to remove. See. We don't need to give anything. This is the second one, this is the row. Now we can give the class name for every element that we are using. That just give the class. Give class btn1, and we can give the style using this class name. We can use here and give style tag where we can use. Sorry, we can't use the style tag here. We have to use the style tag in the head section. Style done. See, this is our class name btn1, and we will give the background color and color also. So go there, just check. Then we can give the style with the class name there. When you want to give the class, you can give this class to this button as well. This as well. All will give the same style, background and color. You can give class name to anyone. After that, we can give also ID. Here we will also give the ID, and for if you want to access the class, we will give the dot like that. Then we want to expose a span. Maybe ID will be unique. ID give span and give this ID also. Here span. Go just copy this ID. Just like that, when we access class name using dot, we use has for ID and give class name background color. Now go there and check. See, if the span and both have ID, and we can give the styles using the ID selector also. These are the selector. See, we can see this. If you want to see this in when you are working on a project, then you have to make your website responsive. For this, we can check the responsiveness or not. We can check many devices, iPad, iPad Pro, anything we can check. So welcome back guys again, and now we will see the some JavaScript concept, the array method concept we can see here. So for that we will make a file index.js, and we will run this file using Node. If you didn't install the Node, you can install Node.js. You can check Node minus here. Okay, Node, not Node minus its version, and also I installed 8.5. That's why Node index.js. Using Node index.js, we can run this file. There is nothing. Will be right here. Console.log code carnivore technologies, and after that when we run this file, it will show what Node technology to run this file using Node index.js. We can run any file. JavaScript file calls. Node is a JavaScript runtime environment. That's why we can run any JavaScript file using Node and file name. Okay. So we will see here JavaScript array methods. Here we can see so let's start with the first one, which is concatenate. Okay. What it will do, it will join two or more array in a single one. It will join two or more array in a single one. Like this, we can array 1, 10, 30, 50, array 2, where element is 20, 100, 2000. What's the average? It's not decimal, it will be a comma here. Okay, and here let's concat with array 1 and array 2 in another array. One array we can give one array, and we can array 1 dot. Here we can concat with array 2. It means this array 1 will concat with this array 2, and put it after concat both will mixed in one, and then we will put in the final array. So let's console.log final array. Just one run in the terminal. Say final array will be 10, 30, 50. First this will come, and in this array 1 we have put array 2, 20, 200 and 2000. So we put array 2 in array 1, and after that when we have put array 2 in array 1, after that this whole we have reference in final array. If there is one more array array 3 is there, 50, 1200, 600, anything we can give. And here we can see final array 2. And what here, what can we give in array 1? I want to concat array 2 and 3. Done. And guys, when we print final array 2, it will give the combination of the whole array, every array. See, 10, 30, 50, 20, 200, every element is in the present in the this final array 2. So concatenate, it will join 2 or more array in a single one. And returns a new array. Combined elements with combined elements. That means it will combine all the elements and will return a new array, like that. It will combine all array 1, array 2, array 3 and returns a final array. Another is copy. Copy with in what it will do, it will copy the statements of elements within the array, and after that it will return a new modified array. Okay, let's see the example. How can we use that copy within? Okay, so we will see the example for this. That we can use const array, and you will give 1 2 3 4 5 here. What we can do if we want 4, we want to take 4 at the place of 2 and 2 will go to the place of 4. So for that we can use copy within and see how can we use. So in first array dot copy within, and in array we will use we have to give the arguments, and it starts first we have to give the arguments where if you which one you do want, 0 1 2 3 means if you want to copy this 3 4 to 2, first you have to give this argument. So 3, it is on the index 3, and then when we give this index, where at which index do we want to copy in? Like 3, we only want 4 to here and 2 here. I mean swapping, like swapping. So we 0 1 2 3 4 5, index of 5 is 4, then we don't want to continue from this 4, that's why we are giving 4, and we will paste all this copy in the index 1 at the place of 2. We are copying this index 4. Then when we console log array, and just no index for this, see 1 4 3 4, it's not swapping like that, but we have the name is copy within. That means we will copy the element and paste wherever I want. So we have copied the placement from index 3 and paste it at index 1 here. 3 from index 3 and we have 1, and we are giving, if we don't give the 4, index.ps c 4 5, it will copy the copy limited, wherever it's the element present, it will copy same. Just press not see 7 9 again 9 8, it is copying all the elements here. Okay, so this is the copy within. Now comment, and we will see the next method, next array method. That is increase. It returns new iterator of z that contains the value here. It will it is not like, it's like a iterator that will we have to use in the iterator entries. It will go to the every index. And it will give the index with value, that is the value present in our array. It will give all the index with value with the index. Just use most array 1 copy, sorry, array 1, and make a dummy array, like we can put mango fruits array. Here we can give the name of array fruits, mango, banana, and we can't give string without colon. Okay, so semicolon we can't give. and after that pineapple we will give strawberry. Done guys, this is our fruits array. What we want is we have to make a iterator. I'm going to make a iterator array of increase. We will make iterator using increase method. It is fruits in our case. That is fruits in our case. Now what we can do is we can console all the value using next console.log iterator.next. It will give the value next.value. Just console run the 0 mango. It means at the index of 0 there is a value of mango. Again we want to print what it will print. See here, at the index of 0 it is mango, at the index of 1 it is banana, at the index of 2 it is pineapple. What we can do, it's printed all the elements with the all the values with the index. Now we will see the fourth method. We will see the fourth method, which is array. Boolean value tests on the element that is passed in array is implemented by the provided function or no. So for this we can check once check. We'll use the check array for this. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we will make a function of is odd. We are going to make a function num to not equal to 0. Then this is the concept of odd. The number which is not divisible by 2 is the odd function, odd number. So we will console. Now we will use check dot array. Now it will check odd function. It is the odd or not. If array function is odd or not, go there. False. Every function is not a odd. What we can do is just leave the go, and this will return true because every elements of this array is a odd number. Done. If we will give another even number, it will return false. So here it is returning false here. What it is simply doing is I have a name check. I have written a function is odd that will check the number is odd or not. So in every it will go for every elements 2, 1, 3 and it will pass is odd where it is a number like 2 and 2 is not equal to, then it will return every function return false. If every element is not a odd number, it will return false. Okay, it's done guys. Now we will see for fill. What it will do is it will fill all the elements of an array from a start index to an end index with a static value. So fill all the elements of an array with static value. If you want to give a static value anything in the array, it will fill all the it will take some argument and it will fill all the array. Demo array. I'm making array named is demo2 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is in demo I want to fill my first parameter. It will take argument. First argument is what do you want to fill? I want to fill 100. From which index do you want to start to fill? I want to 1. At the index of 1 I want to start. This is 1, 2, 3. I want to put 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to make the array like this. This array will convert like this. 100, 100, 100, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 50, then 60. Like this I want to make. So just console no demo and just print here. 100 is 100, 156. Correct, right? 300 I want to put. If we will not give, it will put 100 for the last element. Till the last element it will put. Till the last element of the demo array it will put 100. Just see. Any element can give, it will put for the last element here. See, it will put, if you don't give the breaking point here, breaking argument, then it will put 100 for all the elements. If you want to put 0, then it will put 0. Done. Now I will tell you the most important method. The method is filter. Filter method is the most important method. it will filter away using the whatever the condition in function. It will filter according to the function that we passed here. So let's go and see. Make array, just copy this demo array. I want to filter only even numbers from here. So const is even is a function none. We can also give strictly equal to, that will check the strictly equal. Now we will sorry const, which is a function. Sorry. Now I will write a function here that is even num, and we will pass the filter. The name is demo dot filter, and here I will write give the function is even. Whatever it is the even number, it will filter only the even number and return the even number. Now we can console.log each even. It will not give the 87 1. See, print function is even. Okay, we have to even number we have to print. Not it's a function, it will give the form. See, 2, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50. It's only give the even number, not even number. But if I give a not equal to, means it is odd. I can check odd number. We can check also. Just one. Okay, my bad. Just go and test 187, 187. That's the odd number which is present in our demo array. Now we can concatenate. Here we have seen that we are concatenating. This one we can do using a spread operator also. We can use the spread operator. Okay, by using spread operator. Actually, this is the best idea you can use in your project. If you want to concatenate many arrays or 2 arrays, you can use this. I will uncomment this. Now I will make another array for, and will copy all the elements of. This is the symbol of spread operator dots. Array 1, again spread operator, array 2, and array 3. This copy the spread operator copies all elements and paste in this array 4. Here console array 4. No, array 4. See here, every element came here. Let's see if live streaming is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Excellent connection. Okay, what we can do next is we can see the one more method, which is length. It will return the length of an array or string. Then suppose if you have const name for kernel, and if you want to get if you want to know the length of this name, then you can use const dot name dot length. Now just go run the, this is 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The length of this code kernel is 12. It is giving 12. Just go, it is giving 1. Done. This is for string. Now we will see for array. I will make an array. There is a file when I clean console.log length, then it should return 5. Let's see, go and check. Yeah, it is returning 5. Just comment this and we will see the next method of an array, which is we will see after some time. Let's take a break for some time.